Alright. I was just looking at my trades, and I'm probably going to be pissed off when I do this. But so I didn't lose too much. I lost $2 over 2R, $3 over 2R, $4 over 2R, which when I show the trades, it's probably not going to seem so bad. I made money on one trade and I probably lost like 7 or 8. So let's do it. BHGE is the only ticker I traded. We'll start. I don't even know where to start. First trade. So we're down. I think we were down like 3 or 4% on the open pre-market. Opens down. I put in a limit order right under the VWAP. We get filled. Perfect. But dumb me. So I do the calculation on my phone. I'm calculating this to be my stop. It should have been this, obviously, but I'm calculating this to be my stop. And it tells me, I think, 350 shares. And I only took 200 here. I don't know why. It's like, and that's even with a half position. It's like since I planned on scaling. So whatever. I got in. Awesome entry. Filled. Slams down. Immediately in the money. I don't think I lost a penny or was ever losing a penny on this trade. Sells off to this daily level we have here. Or whatever. Yesterday's low or pre-market low. Whatever it is. We bounce immediately. At the lowest here, I was up 1R. Right here, it was a 1R gain, which I don't care about 1R. I'm looking for more, so I'm scaling in, looking for a bigger move. And once we saw this bounce, the buying volume was lower, so I wasn't really. I was thinking, okay, it's just bouncing, and we're going to sell off. So I added in here. This is a bad add-in. The spot I'm adding in is good. This candle's high. The moving average. The spot I'm adding in is good, but there was no confirmation. There was no nothing. So I add in here. Trades against me. I get stopped out. I lose. I think. How much did I lose? I think I lost 0.6R on this trade. So I had a 1R win, but whatever, it didn't work out. So then I saw it get rejected here. There's one reason why I should not have taken this trade. So it got rejected here. If it got rejected above the already high of the day. That's my mistake here. Is why I took it short. It broke the high of day. If it didn't even get to the high of day, that's when I should have taken it short again. But it broke the high of day. And if it doesn't make it quite to that level, it usually will just get slammed back down, and that's just buying from covering or something. But that was like the one indicator here that told me I should not have taken this. I still did. Short, got stopped out, didn't like how it looked. No specific reason, but it was just holding up here. It wasn't hitting it and bouncing off, hitting it and bouncing off. It was just holding up there, so I got out. Okay, here we go. Over Trading Central. Let's look here. Now we have one more short. Comes up, touches that, comes back down, and then again, it's just riding this moving average, so I got out. I think after all three of these trades, I was down, all of these trades on this side, I was down 1.1R, I think, or something like that. So I said, what the fuck am I doing? This sucks. So I got in long here. I don't know why I stopped out here. Literally no clue. Stopped myself out. And then I was looking at it, and it's like higher low, higher low, higher low, higher low, higher low, higher low. Why would I stop myself out there? Actually, I know exactly why. It's because what we were discussing in the pre-market, it's all these fucking moving averages on every time frame. Which I'll bring them up. Hourly, we can see here. So moving averages all in the way. Moving averages all, actually not on the daily really, but moving averages all in the way. Moving averages on the 5. So I was finally reluctant. I said, okay, I'm going to get in here. So I enter in, and I have my stop loss is this. It's the break of the moving averages, because I don't want to give it too much room because it's a downtrending stock. I wouldn't expect this to happen today after what I saw in the open. So, or in the pre-market. So we head along. I take a partial up here, $22, and then we're stuck at 22 for like 5 straight candles. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We're stuck at 22. So I add back my position at 22, and I'm looking for 22.25 is my partial, which is, if we bring up the daily, previous day close, 22.25. So that's what I was watching for. I had my full position would have been taken out there, and I would have been probably a 2.5 hour day or so, maybe a little bit more. So I'm watching it. This is where the wheels come off. This is where I start to make bad trades. Stops me out. It breaks this candle, I get stopped out. But then this is what I do. I convince myself on the 5 that this is still okay. Oh yeah, it's just bouncing off the 5. Fucking A. It's just bouncing off the moving average, get back in, blah, blah, blah. So, like a dumbass, I start to overtrade it. And at this whole time, when I saw it stopping out, this whole point, if I took the trade off, I would have made about 2 R today. Because I even said to myself, like, nothing's really working. The range is so low on this. I'm generally not that good at that because I look for too big of moves on low ranges. So I start trading it. I don't know, short, cover, short again. Oh, that's really it. That's really not that bad. Cover. So yeah, I'm just making shit trades at this point. What happened was it broke under this moving average and it was holding the moving average on the 5. Holding under it. I guess that's not that bad, but I could have just traded so much better. And when I'm taking these shorts, these are horrible trades. The only reason I'm taking them is because harmonious down is what I'm thinking. We're so close to breaking down to be the harmonious down chart. But like short here, add in here. What the fuck happens here that didn't happen? That, like, there is no point to add in. This is the same exact as this. Nothing has changed, you know? It's just chopping around. And then, stop. And then look at this. Short, I know why I took this because of this low, but it's like nothing has changed from here to here. It's the same trade. So those scale-ins were just shit. Stopped out. But could have been worse. I ended on 2R loss when I could have easily ended the day even, +1 or maybe even +2R. Numerous times I had the opportunity. But I was stubborn and wouldn't really accept that. But, oh well. Still up, I think maybe 8 or so R's on the week. Yeah, hopefully we have a good day tomorrow. I'll try to focus on, if I can just get a good, like, maybe 3R trade or something, be patient, take one good trade and call it a day and end the week really strong. That'd be great. But we'll see. Wow, ADVM is down a shitload. Wow, look at that. That's crazy. All right. Yeah, thanks. Peace.